Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina, taking standard first, subject English. ENGLISH. Standard first, subject English. Today we will discuss about new lesson. Naming words for belonging. Naming words for belonging. See, when we want to show that something belongs to someone, if we want to show something belongs to someone, we use S with the naming word. We use S with the naming words. Now this is Reena's pen. Reena's pen. So what we are using there? R-E-E-N-A. Reena will come. R-E-E-N-A. Reena. Now this is Reena's pen. So what we will do? Apostrophe S. Yes. We will add S to show something belongs to someone. Something belongs to someone. In place of naming words, in naming words only, we will put apostrophe S. How it will be? Apostrophe S means one comma and one dot and comma. Dot and comma. So Reena's, Mary's, Rohit's, Rahul's. Like that, we will add S to the naming words. We will add S to the naming words to show something belongs to someone. Something belongs to someone. Here, Mary's lamb. Mary's apostrophe S. Yes, we added. Yes, Mary's lamb. Lamb's wool. John's bag. Reena's book. Yes, Rahul's pencil. Ravi's pen. Ravi's apostrophe S. Yes, we will add S to the naming words to show something belongs to someone. We add S to the naming words to show. We use S after a naming word. We use S after a naming word to show something belongs to someone. So we will add S for the naming words to show something belongs to. Now we can't say Reena pen. Is it correct? Reena pen. What is that Reena pen? Reena's pen. Then it is correct. Yes. Reena pen. Wrong. Only Reena pen means what is that? No meaning in that. No sense in that sentence. Yes. This is Reena pen. Is there any sense in that? No. If we say Reena's pen, then it is a correct sentence. Apostrophe S. Yes, Reena's. This is Reena's pen. Then the sentence is correct. So whenever yes, we will add to the naming word to show that something belongs to someone. Something belongs to someone. We add S to the naming words. We add S to the naming word to show something belongs to someone. Here few naming words are given. Here few naming words are given. We will write apostrophe S to show something belongs to someone. When we want to show that something belongs to someone, something belongs to someone, we use S with the naming word. What we will use? These all are naming words. In these naming words, what are naming words? Names of people, places, animals, things. In this, all 12 words are naming words, are everything. Naming words of people is given, naming words of animals is given, naming words of things are given. So these are naming words. For these naming words, we should add S. We should add S to say that something belongs to someone. Something belongs to someone. Elephant means elephants. Elephant means elephants. Dog, dogs. This is dog kennel. We can say this is dog kennel. No, this is dog's kennel. Dog lives in kennel. Dog lives in kennel. So how we will say the sentence? This is dog's kennel. We will not say only dog kennel. It will be wrong. So what we added there? Apostrophe S. Yes. What we are adding? S to dog. To make it dogs. To make dogs. So here for all these naming words we will add S. We will add S to show that something belongs to someone. This is their dog's kennel means this is dog's kennel. Yes. Not somebody's. This kennel belongs to that particular dog. So we will add S. Elephant, elephants. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. What will come? S. What we added here? S. Elephants. Next, dog, dogs. D-O-G-S. Dogs. Understood? D-O-G apostrophe S. How you will write that? You will put a small dot and comma. Small dot and comma. Next, GIRL, girl. GIRL, girl. This is girl's bag. Girl bag. Is it correct? Girl bag? No. Girl's bag. GIRL. Yes, girls. Tiger. Tiger's babies. Tiger babies wrong. Tiger's babies means then it is correct. So tiger baby, these babies belong to tiger. So tiger's babies. TIGER, tiger. TIGER. Yes. What we are adding? Only yes. Only yes. Elephants. Yes. Dogs. Yes. Girls. Yes. Tiger. Tigers. Yes. Woodcutter. This is woodcutter's axe. Woodcutter. Woodcutter means one who cuts the wood. One who cuts the wood for firework. Woodcutter. This is woodcutter axe. Is it correct? No. This woodcutter belongs to, this axe belong to woodcutter. So what we say? Woodcutter's axe. Woodcutters. WOOD. Wood. CUTTERS. Cutters. Woodcutters. Woodcutter. Woodcutters. Woodcutter. Woodcutters. Woodcutter is a person who cuts wood, who make wood into small pieces. Woodcutter. Woodcutters. Boy. Boys. Boy. Boys. BOYS. Boy. Boys. Bird. Birds. Bird. Birds. For boy what we added? Yes, to make boys. Something belongs to someone. This is boy eraser, correct? This is boy eraser, correct? No, this is boys eraser. Boys eraser, then it is correct. BIRD, bird. Birds. BIRD, yes. Birds. This is bird nest. This is bird nest. No, this is bird's nest. This nest belongs to bird. If we want to show something belongs to someone, we will add s. Now this nest belongs to bird. So we will add s. Birds. This is bird's nest. BIRD, yes, birds. Man, mans. 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 TEDDY, teddy. BEAR, bear. Teddy bear. Teddy bears. This is teddy bear eyes. This is teddy bear eyes. No, wrong. This is teddy bear's eyes. This eye belong to teddy bear. So what we should say, if something belongs to someone, what we should add? Yes. So we should say this is teddy bear's eyes. Not only teddy bear eye. Teddy bear's eyes. TEDDY, teddy. BEARS, bears. Teddy bears. Peacock. This is peacock feather. This is peacock's feather, not peacock feather. Peacock feather is wrong. We should say this feather belongs to peacock. Feather belongs to peacock. So peacock's feather. PEACOCKS, peacocks. Doctor. DOCTOR, doctor. Doctor. Doctors. 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 This is doctor stethoscope. We'll say this is doctor stethoscope. No, wrong. This is doctor's stethoscope because that stethoscope belongs to doctor. So we'll say doctors. Yes, doctor's stethoscope. Grandfather. This is grandfather specs. No, grandfather's specs because that specs belong to grandfather. So grandfather's specs. GRAND, grand. FATHERS, fathers, grandfathers. Read once again. When we want to show that something belongs to someone, when we want to show something belongs to someone, that that is not your thing, that is somebody's thing, then we will add s, then we will add s. We use s with the naming word. We use s with the naming words. All the names of people, places, animal, things are naming words. When we write that naming words, we will add s to that naming words. W-H-E-N, when. W-E-V, W-A-N-T, want. T-O, to. S-H-O-W, show. T-H-A-T, that. S-O-M-E, some. T-H-I-N-G, thing, something. B-E-L-O-N-G-S, belongs. B-E-L-O-N-G-S, belongs. T-O, to. S-O-M-E, some. O-N-E, one, someone. W-E-V, U-S-E, use. S. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-E, the. N-A-M-I-N-G, naming. W-O-R-D, word. N-A-M-I-N-G, naming. W-O-R-D, word. A-D-D, add S to these words. These all are naming words. We should add S to these words. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S, elephants. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G-S, dogs. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G-S, dogs. G-I-R-L, girl. G-I-R-L-S, girls. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R-S, tigers. W-O-O-D, wood. C-U-T-T-E-R, cutter. Wood, cutter. W-O-O-D, wood. C-U-T-T-E-R-S, cutters. Wood cutters. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y-S, boys. B-I-R-D, bird. B-I-R-D-S, birds. M-A-N, man. M-A-N-S, mans. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. B-E-A-R, bear. Teddy bear. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. B-E-A-R-S, bears. Teddy bears. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K-S, peacocks. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R-S, doctors. G-R-A-N-D, grand. F-A-T-H-E-R, father, grandfather. G-R-A-N-D, grand. F-A-T-H-E-R-S, father. So for all these naming words, what we added here? Yes. What we added here? Yes. That means it shows that these things belongs to someone. These things belongs to someone. Elephant, elephants. Dog, dogs. Girl, girls. Tiger, tigers. Woodcutter, woodcutters. Boy, boys. Bird, birds. Man, mans. Teddy bear, teddy bears. Peacock, peacocks. Doctor, doctors. Grandfather, grandfathers. Now where you should write this? Open your textbook, page number 30, children. Open your textbook, page number 30. See, page number 30. Here add S to these words. Here I have written already on the board. Copy it from the board. Here see, read these sentences. Mary is a little girl. Mary is a little girl. One girl name, her name is Mary. How she is? Little, small. She had a lamb. Lamb means baby goat. Baby goat. Mary's lamb is naughty. How is Mary's lamb? Mary's we added here because this lamb belonged to Mary. So Mary's lamb is very naughty. It's him. He likes to go to school with her. Where this lamb is going? To school along with Mary. When Mary goes to school, this lamb also follows Mary. He likes to go to school with her. The lamb's wool is white. How is the skin of that lamb? Wool is white in color. Mary loves the little lamb. Mary loves the little lamb. See here, Mary's lamb means this lamb belongs to Mary. So we added yes to Mary. Yes. So now write these words very neatly in your textbook and read. All easy spellings, children. You should know all the spellings and you should be able to read all the spellings. So page number 30, lesson 6. Complete your textbook. Complete your textbook. Before going to next paper, this work should be completed, children. Thank you.